about to head to Rotan Port.
No, I forgot deodorant.
Chris forgot deodorant. We just recorded 3 Yakities. And we are saving one for King Woof.
So she could do it behind the scenes.
Try that on Saturday. And we're off.
Oh yeah, you should be filming that.
0, car K.
The lovely, smart, not so smart elevators.
They're smart, but they're still slow. And I mean, we're on day 4 now. People are starting to figure out how to use them. But
No, because the guy before just hit it one time for 2 of them.
I didn't say everybody.
And she had a cart.
Yeah, she had a car, so she did it 3
She's
times.
like 3 people. I don't know. I don't like them.
And the stink boxes are horrible.
Stink boxes are horrible on this.
Yeah, we're in deck 7, away from any public area, and you can still smell the crap.
Yeah.
I feel like it's us.
Yeah. All right. didn't get extra, but he did leave one,
He did leave it.
so we'll take it.